At Concept Systems, we have our manufacturing intelligence offering, and that is based around data analytics, that's based around machine data and doing something with that data. So we have an entire group of people that are devoted to HMI development, to SCADA development, which is supervisory controls and data acquisition. So literally going into a machine, understanding how you use that machine, and either adding features to that machine that allow you to automate some of the data collection, building reports that automate some of the hand entry that you're doing. But it's an offering where we go in and we capture data and serve that data up to the internal customers to a company. Taking customers to Industry 4.0 or IIOT or whatever you want to call it. It's the next wave of getting data out of machines and putting it in the hands of the customers to make better business decisions.